I already cleansed my hair. I know for sure with Kinky-Curly products is that you want to make sure your hair is very clean and stripped of any other products in order to get the best performance from those products. At least for my hair, for my hair anyway. So I did my hair in the shower and it's already starting to swell. My curls would have been more defined, but the longer I let it sit with no product, with just water in it, it swells and just puffs up. And that's what it's doing right now. So I'm just adding a little water to it to make sure it's still nice and like, I don't like it soaking wet, but make sure it's wet. And then I'm going to add the curl maker. I'm going to add it all at one time instead of doing it as I go. There's different ways you can do it. So to make this faster, I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to apply it to the whole section. And because I have low porosity hair, that would also help it and give it time to penetrate into my strands, if it ever does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions, okay? And we're going to apply this because whenever I use this gel, it swells my hair up like by next day. This Camille Rose here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my hair is soaking wet this time. And this is warm water that I have in this spray bottle. I usually do voiceovers on this channel. I don't like these videos on this channel also to be long and drawn out, but this one may take some time, so bear with me. And it has that same like consistency of my Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. So this is not a review. Just going through with my fingers and separating the curls. This curl maker applies very nice, and it's, you know, like similar to like the Uncle Funky's Daughter. I can detangle with it because it's not hard on my hair. It doesn't get hard on my hair. I wish it kind of did offer me more of a hold. So now I'm gonna take some gel and just clean up any frizzies or anything I see. Kind of smooth and slick these postpartum edges that never really grew back yet. I'm remaining hopeful. Okay, I'm taking the Kinky-Curly Knot Today. Fire. This here leave-in detangler is the OG favorite in the natural hair community. People have a love-hate relationship with it. It's like one of those products you just find yourself always going back to. A long time ago when I went back natural and I first tried this gel, it was like it has the hardest learning curve on how to use it, how to apply it. You just really wanted it to work. You ever had that product where you really wanted it to work out for you, really work on your hair, and it just didn't? You have to apply it till it feels slippery. Then you know you have enough. So, well, at least I do. You may not have to, but in my natural hair history, this has been the hardest gel to figure out. The Kinky-Curly gives more weight and flattens the hair more because I have less flyaways and less frizzies on this side than I do on the Camille Rose side. It's the end of day one. This again is the Camille Rose side. I need a hair shape up cut so bad. And this is the Kinky-Curly side. So odd in the back, and especially because my hair is not cut into any type of shape or anything. And as you can tell, this side is bigger than this side. This side is shorter than this side. Now, as far as how they feel, they both feel almost the same. This side, the Kinky-Curly side, feels like it has a little bit more hold. Day two. It is the end of day two. I've been to the gym, I've sweated, And this is the Kinky Curly side. As you can see, it has more length still than the Camille Rose side. The Camille Rose side is much more bigger. I can say though, I think that it did work better on the soaking wet hair, but I can still see more curl definition on the Kinky Curly side than the Camille Rose side. Yeah. And as far as moisture, neither one is like greasy or can feel any oils or anything. I think maybe more so on the Camille Rose side than the Kinky Curly side. Do I feel anything on my fingers? Yes. So far, I think I'm still liking the Kinky Curly. Yeah, I'm still liking the Kinky Curly side. And I like that I can feel a little something on my fingers on the Camille Rose side. What that means, I don't know. But, oh, and my daughter is taking a bath, so that's the noise in the background. Hashtag mom life. And I do see a little something flying out my hair, but like flakes. No, it's nothing that is like, it's not on my shoulders, my shirts or my shirt or anything. But like every now and then when I turn or something, I see something fly on my hair. Yes. I don't know which side that's coming from, but it's no bother to me because it's not like overwhelming. So yeah, I'll be back on day 3 if we last that long. Yes. You ready to get out? Yeah. Okay. Well, this is my 3rd day hair. And it is clear to me that Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic, won this showdown. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? I could have rocked this hair for some more days, especially on the Kinky Curly side, but as you can see, the Camille Rose Maker side, it didn't hold up, so there you go. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Or say the same, we'll see you in the next one. Thumbs this video up if you liked it. If you didn't, just leave. Bye.